Hello everyone, welcome to REVERT Hair Transplant Center Dehradun YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Amit Singh and I'm a hair transplant surgeon doing hair transplants and other hair loss treatments in Dehradun for the past 10 years. How do you ensure the safety of a hair transplant procedure? I will be explaining all about this in this video, so stay tuned. The most important thing for you to know before getting a hair transplant is the safety. The hair transplant procedure should be safe, and the most important role in ensuring the safety of hair transplant is the doctor. You should always get your hair transplant by a qualified doctor only. There are only two specialties in India who are authorized to perform a hair transplant. One is a surgeon, and another specialty that do a hair transplant in India is a dermatologist, a skin specialist. Besides these two specialties, if you are getting a hair transplant from other specialties, or then he is not authorized to perform the procedure, as well as he is not trained to do a hair transplant. So make sure get your hair transplant by a surgeon or a dermatologist only. This is regarding the specialty of doctors who should do a hair transplant. But the problem doesn't end here only. In India, there are the gravity of the problem is manifold. In India, 95 to 90% of the hair transplants are done by unqualified technicians. They have formed a small team, and they are being called by even qualified doctors to perform hair transplants in their clinic. There is a difference between the training that is imparted to a qualified doctor and a training which is a regular technician is getting. A surgeon is trained for surgery for at least 10 to 15 years. He's trained, he is taught how to perform the surgical procedure in a safe manner. So there will always be a difference between a surgery performed by a qualified surgeon and a technician. So don't ever get your hair transplant by technician. You should make sure one thing before finalizing your hair transplant, that you are getting a hair transplant by a doctor by himself or herself. And to make sure that you should visit that clinic before finalizing your hair transplant. Personally meet that doctor who will be performing your hair transplant. Get all your facts checked by him, by the doctor himself, and then only when you are sure about his credentials, his degree, his experience, then only you finalize your hair transplant procedure there. In REVERT, all the hair transplants are personally done by me only. If I am performing 1,000 hair transplants, all the transplants will be done by me only. We do only one hair transplant a day. The staff, I have permanent staff which have been assisting me for the past 10-15 years. So the consistency, the safety, the quality of operation theaters, the instruments we are using, the things we are using in our operation theaters to autoclave the instruments, these are all according to our to world standards, which ensures that the hair transplant procedure is safe and you get a good result. I'm sure the information which I have tried to give you in this video, you will find it useful, and that will help you in deciding the clinic as well as the doctor for your hair transplant. If you want further information regarding hair transplants and other hair loss treatments, you subscribe to our channel, and if you have certain queries regarding the procedure, you can WhatsApp us or can call us directly on our number. This is Dr. Amit Singh signing off.